Dear students, this is demonstration video to learn how to use Google Classroom and Tata Virtual Classage. The Tata Virtual Classage is used for attending the class regularly as per the schedule. The Google Classroom is for post your homework regularly. Before use these two, first you should download Google Chrome browser. This is necessary to work with Tata Virtual Classage. Let's download the Chrome browser. For this, open any browser that is available in your system. In address bar, type www.google.com. It will navigate the Google main page. Here, again type Chrome free download PC. Click first link. It opens the download page. Click download Chrome. So the file is downloading. Open that file and install Google Chrome in your system. After installation is over, open the Google Chrome browser. The basic settings are necessary to work with the Tata Classage. So right hand side, right top corner, the three dot is available. Click that. Go for settings. The left hand side, the list is showing privacy and security settings. Then select site settings. Scroll down. In permission group, camera and microphone is available. So activate the camera. So enable this button. Then again go back. Microphone option. So enable this also. Then go back. Then cookies. In content group, cookies and site data is available. Click that. So check the allows all cookies option is enabled or not. Enable this option. Suppose if it is not enabled means. So after set all those things, you can use the Tata Classage. To attend the class in Virtual Classage, double click on the Google Chrome. In address bar, enter live.tataclassageonline.com. Press enter. It will navigate to the login page. Here you can enter your own virtual class ID. I am entering one student ID. Here you can type your password. Click login. Let's navigate to the main page. In right hand side, you can see the live classes schedule. So if the class is currently running means the rectangular box will be in dark blue. If you want to join in this class, you can click join. Click again join. This shows the two window. This is virtual window. This is chat window. In virtual window, the first three icon will be in deactivate mode. The next three in activate mode. If the teacher allows you to speak, you can unmute this icon and you can speak. If you have any doubts, you can click this icon and ask the doubt. If you click this icon, the symbol is shown in the teacher's page. It's showing on the teacher's page. So the teachers will identify and rectify your doubts, clear your doubts. The last icon is the exit. If you want to leave the meeting, you click this. It will ask the message. You click OK. The meeting will be ended. If you click cancel, the meeting will be continue. This is student window. Now I am going to open the teacher's window. This is teacher window. Here it shows your name. So this is indication icon. If you are using laptop, it will show the circle symbol. If you are using mobile phone, it will show rectangle icon. If you are doing some other work or opening some other tab means it will be in deactivate mode. If you are in active, it shows the green color. So from this, the teacher can understand you are present in the class or not. Suppose if the teacher sent any question, so for example, I am sending one question. Projector is output device. So I am sending this question to everybody. So this question will be shown in your page. So now opening your page. So this is asking the answer, so true or false. So just click true or false. If I am clicking true, then click this submit button. It's showing the answers page report. So you can from this you can understand how many students are saying the correct answers. So all the class is over. Don't forget to sign out your account. To sign out your account, click here. Click logout. Your account will be closed. Now we're going to see how to post homework in Google Classroom. First, you should sign in with your Google account. Double click on the Google Chrome browser. Sign in with your own Gmail ID. So I created one student dummy ID. I entered from this. You enter your own ID and password. Then top right corner, the square icon is there. Scroll down and double click on close classroom. Now you did not join in any class. If you want to join with your class, click plus icon here. Click join icon, join class. It is asking the class code. It may be sent by your teacher already. Just you copy and paste. Then click join. This is your class page. It shows 3 tabs: stream, classwork and people. The stream tab, it shows all the posts, that is assignment, homework, material, all shared by the teachers as well as the students according to the date and time. Here you can send any commands. It can be viewed by everyone. Next tab, classwork. It shows all the homework assignment material according to the subject wise. So if you want to do the homework, go to the left side, the 3-line icon is there, click that, click to do. Here also you can see 3 tabs. This is assigned tab that display the homework that's sent by the teacher. Missing tab, it shows the missing homework. Done tab, it shows all the completed homework. Now you click assigned tab, select your homework, do the homework. After that you take the photo and store it in your computer. If you want to post the homework, click add or create, select file, click upload, click browser. Select the file you want to post, then click open. So if you want to post another one page, do the same way. Upload, browse, select another one file, click open. So all the pages uploaded. Now you click turn in. This is confirmation message. Click turn in again. So your homework is posted. After completed this homework, you can check by in the left hand side to do. So assigned homework, everything I completed. Missing homework, no missing homework is showing. Done homework, so all the homeworks I completed, all the homeworks, it's showing the list. So like this way you can post your homework regularly.